Good morning, children. This is M. Adinarayana from PM English Medium School, Dinoj, Chanas Mataluka, Patan District, Gujarat. Today, we are going to learn temperature zones of the world for grade 5. Today's date is 27 March 2021 and the day is Saturday. Okay. What is our topic? I said the temperature zones of the world. This is our topic. So from this topic, what are the learning objectives? That means what we are going to learn. First of all, what is the climate? What is the climate? We will learn. And what are the factors that influence the climate? Factors that influence the climate. Then third one, temperature zones. What are the different temperature zones? These three things we will learn from this lesson. So the first one, what is the climate? Climate of a place is the average weather conditions over a long period of time. Places may be said to have a very hot climate, a very cold climate, a dry climate or wet climate depending on the weather conditions over a long period of time. For example, 30 years at least. Okay, the climate affects the people and animals and the food we have and the clothes we wear and the way we live. This all will be affected by the climate. Okay. Climate. Now second one, factors influencing the climate. There are 5 factors which affects the climate of a place. First one is latitude. Latitude or distance of a place from the equator. Latitude or distance of a place from the equator. If you are close near to the equator, then that region or that place will get more heat, and if you go far from the equator, you will have less heat. That means you will get slightly slanting rays of the sun. They will have neither too hot nor too cold. And if you go till the end of the poles, like south poles and north poles and south poles, you will have the cold climate. First one. And second one is altitude. Altitude. That means the height of the place above the sea level. Okay, the height, if the height is more, then that place will have cold temperature, cold climate, and near to the sea level means they will have warm climate. Third one, latitude, altitude and the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. If you are near the sea, okay, you will have more. This distance from sea means those who are near the sea, they will have, in summer they have cool temperature and in winter they have warm temperature. Moderate climate. And fourth one is humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor or moisture present in the water that determines the climate of the place. And fifth one is the winds. Winds also influence the climate of a place. That depends upon where the winds origin. If they origin in cold places, then the climate will be cool. If they origin in warm in deserts, if the winds origin from the desert areas, the climate will be hot. If these winds origin from cold deserts, then the climate will be cool. Okay? This is about the factors influencing the climate. Now, our main topic is the temperature zones of the world. How can we classify the temperature zones of the world are divided on the intensity of the sunlight received by the particular region. Okay. According to this, the temperature zones are divided into three. There are, first one is the torrid zone. Second one is the temperate zone, and the third one is the frigid zone. The torrid zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid zone. These are the three temperature zones of the world. This torrid zone, the important latitudes help us in explaining these temperature zones. Okay. For example, first one, the torrid zone. Okay. First one, the torrid zone. As you all know that our Earth shape is like a sphere, so it does not receive the entire Earth does not receive the same level of sunlight. The different places receive different levels of sunlight. So first zone is the torrid zone, 90 degrees north, 90 degrees south, south pole, north pole, and 0 degrees latitude means equator. Equator makes the Earth into two equal hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, so from the equator to in northern hemisphere, 23.5 degrees north is called as Tropic of Cancer, and in southern hemisphere, 23.5 degrees south is called as the Tropic of Capricorn, and from 23.5 degrees north to 23 23.5 degrees south is the torrid zone. This zone is very hot. Why? Because this torrid zone receives the direct rays of the sun. That's why throughout the year this zone is very hot. There is no much difference between the summer and winter. And the second one is the second zone is let me explain here only in this from 23.5 degrees north to 66.5 degrees north is Arctic Circle. Okay, and in southern hemisphere 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south is Antarctic Circle. So this the temperate zone is divided into two according to its location. In northern hemisphere from 23.5 degrees north to 66.5 degrees north. Okay, and in southern hemisphere 23.5 degrees south, the Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. In this temperate zone, the climate is neither very cold nor very hot. Okay, because they are far from the equator. Here in this temperate zone they receive slanting rays of the sun. And the third one is the frigid zone. This frigid zone is extending from 66.5 degrees south, that is from Antarctic Circle to the 90 degrees south pole. Okay, and in northern hemisphere 66.5 degrees north to the north pole 90 degrees. This is southern northern frigid zone, and this is southern frigid zone, like the temperate zones. Temperate zones are also divided into two, and the frigid zones are also divided into two according to the location. Okay, here in this frigid zone, the temperature, the climate is very cold. Why? Because they are very far from the equator, and these frigid zones are very cold. Why? Because they get slanting rays of the sun, and it is very difficult to spread the sunlight to the larger areas. And throughout the year, in this frigid zone, the climate is very cold. Okay, this is about the temperature zones of the world. On the intensity of the sunlight received by a particular region, these zones are divided. First one the torrid zone, second one the temperate zone, third one the frigid zone. Okay, thank you.